Jot ha kotor gonangino kok tishala man boromni bisingtei 76 Republic Day songjai rekha haste obo aboni logi Republic Day palaijaka haste ni jot ni silai kotor panda সংখ্যা জাখা রাজখর আউলিনি আসাম রাইফেলসনি থংখলাবো আ পান্দাও নগরে অগ্রে অঙ্গৈ ফাই মানজাক ফাইয়া হাস্তেফা ইন্দ্রসেনা রেডি নালো পান্দাও ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ টি শাখা হাস্তেফা আপনি লগি হাস্তে পুলিশ টি দালপিদাল বেটেকনি প্যারেড খাইমানি নুকজাখা পান্দাও কক নারংনা ফুরো কনস্টিটিউশন নতয়ে খুক কেংখা হাস্তেফা ইন্দ্রসেনা রেডি নালো বসাকা কনস্টিটিউশননি কাহাইকেনো সুংনো নাইকলে সামং খাইনানি নাংনাই আপনি লগি হাস্তে হাফাংনি সামং খাইমানি কক রকবো সামানি নুকজাখা
Let me begin with the landmark steps taken towards peace and development in Tripura. On March 2nd, 2024, a historic tripartite agreement was signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura and Tripura Moksha. This agreement promises to address issues related to the indigenous people of Tripura. We also witnessed the successful resolution of insurgency issues. On September 5th, 2024, the Union and Tripura government signed a memorandum of settlement with the National Liberation Front of Tripura and the All Tripura Tiger Force, disbanding these groups and bringing peace. I am proud to say that my government is on the path of transformation. With the support of the central government and the dedication to our state leadership, we are witnessing progress in every sector from infrastructure to healthcare, education, agriculture, and the welfare of all communities.
Aboni ulo hastefa Indrasena Reddy Nallu tebu shaka kendriya hapang hasteni budget ni bagai 2800 crore rang rekha hasteni joto lukurokno nangjanai tini shep ka hamrina ni bagai jol jiban mission samong batang dak dikheno samong khlai tongkha aboni logi hasteni bagai kendro ni simita mo samong batang rekha abono tuibo kok shaka hastefa
Development has been a priority. The central government has sanctioned rupees 2800 crores for key road projects in Tripura, including the Agartala Eastern Bypass and the Amtali to Tripura Sundari Temple Road, improving connectivity across the state. On 15th August 2019, the Honorable Prime Minister made an iconic announcement to provide a functional household tap connection to every rural household under Har Ghar Nal Se Jal under Jal Jeevan Mission. My government has provided a total of 6,32,387 households, that is 84.27% of rural households with the functional household tap connections. 2,102 Gram Panchayats, village councils have achieved 100% drinking water connection. The Dalai district has been conferred as the winner in the Northeastern Zone in the Best District category of the 5th National Water Awards 2023.
Pandawa haste police ni Senkragrok motorbike by stand claimani bo nukjakha abni logi Pandawa haste ni okra sochib jeke singha dalbidal tangbedeni sochib haste police ni kuchuk thaini naikonlai rajya sabha ni dagi phang eba pradesh BJP ni achuk phang rajya bhattacharji kebone botoni adong Jitendra Chaudhary ni logi Bidhan Sabha ni gabangmo ajma Pandawa phai manjak phaibani nukjakha Bureau report Kokkhorang